Я шоколадку купила, гадіна. З'їла сама шоколадку. А я що робить? А що, мені дивиться, як вона їсть шоколад, я теж може хочу шоколад, блін. Задумала, блін, мені дуже шоколад. Мені дуже шоколад. Я дуже хочу шоколад.
We're back in action, guys. What is up? Listen, how many times have we been saying on this channel that it is time to be stacking up our crypto? Because now so many coins are starting to leave the bear market floor, guys. Now, in today's video, we are going to check out our baby boy ICP. Before we do start that, guys, I want to say a thank you to everybody who has been joining the journey so far. You guys are absolutely killing it. You motivate me every single day. And to everybody who is new, come and join the family. Go and drop me a sub. Let's make this summer count. Let's get it. Altcoin hype cycles by Rect Capital. Welcome to the Q2 altcoin hype cycle. Things are only getting started. Look where we are in May. We are here. Let's open that one up, baby. Guys, the altcoins haven't even got started yet. We covered this so many times, and again, we're going to look into so many different bits of data that's making me super excited for a lot of our altcoin positions. So again, make sure you guys are switched on and you stay until the end. But look, we haven't even got started. There are so many big blue chips, future blue chips, that are in their bear market floors, guys, and they're giving you amazing opportunities, okay? And I want to say to all of you guys, you got to be careful of who you're listening to, because I was going on Twitter and I was seeing so many people start to flip bearish. And look, I told all of you guys on YouTube, I've told you guys on X as well, so if you're not following the X, that's just a little bit more of some reassurance if you need it. But I said that this entire dip, it's normal. I did not flip bearish once, guys. Be careful who you listen to. And I actually gave the members club a key level of interest to be topping up their alts, and that was around 59k. And for those of you who want some proof, I said to the guys on the 10th of May, I said, look, BTC is expected, we've gone lower, absolutely fine and necessary for the continuation of the cycle. You can top up most coins in this pullback, guys. We got so many portfolios in here as well, so we topped up quite a lot, and a lot of those from the top up zones, they're up right now. And you can see BTC is back bullish. We track this to a T. It makes me more confident on entering new short-term trades, and that is my plan now for the coming months, guys. I'm going to be making sure that I'm maximizing how many alts I can just rinse out and take the blood from the stone, right? And if many of you missed it, guys, I mean, ETH ETFs are on the way. We said it in a previous video. I said to you guys, like, as much as people are saying the ETH ETF's not going to come, it's going to come whether they like it or not. I don't know if you guys remember that, but for those who do, shout out you. But we rode this god candle, guys. We actually got in at 3k, and ETH's like nearly 3.7k. Let's go and check that out, actually. Let's get a little live track. God damn, ETH is at 3.774k. Guys, Bitcoin's just under 70k again, but the Bitcoin dominance is looking like it's ready to drop. And what does that mean when the Bitcoin dominance drop, guys? It means that all of these mothers underneath here are gonna start to take some of that market share, guys, okay? And our baby boy ICP is on that list, and we'll get to the ICP chart at the very end of the video. And the reason why I say to you guys, be careful who you watch online, is because look at this. I saw this on 18th of May. That was my birthday, right? This idiot is trying to FUD me out on my fucking birthday. You ain't doing it. This is making me super bearish. It's even worse on the Bitcoin pair. Look at that. I mean, this is why so many people F themselves in crypto. I'm sorry that I'm swearing so much today, guys. I apologize. I might just have to like beep some of those out. But so many people, they sell here and then they miss all of this, guys. Because why is he not comparing that to there? You know, we're basically in this stage of the market. The volume hasn't even come through, and we're going to look at the volume. We're going to check all of those metrics again on our trading view. But when you compare the volume of a real bull market to the pre-bull market, You already know that it's not even time, guys. There's no reason to be rushing. Now with ICP, hello decentralized AI. Train and run AI models as a smart contracts fully on chain to benefit from the security, resilience, and computation power of the ICP blockchain. I think I said that correctly. But guys, AI on ICP is going to allow for fully decentralized AI models to run as smart contracts. That is amazing. A recent study on AI finds that nearly half of the respondents, 49%, are concerned about the misuse of AI for nefarious purposes. And that was a survey by Index Report in 2024 by Stanford University. As AI companies race to build AI-powered products, they leave users no option but to blindly trust underlying AI models, guys. Look, all of you who are trying to get into the next up-and-coming AI coin, okay? Be careful. We've got a lot of AI picks in the Patreon. I've got a lot of personal AI picks that I've got in my AI portfolio, guys. But you have to be doing your research. Just because something says AI in it, don't just buy it. And that's what was happening at the beginning of this year. Everyone was like, oh, this is a new AI coin, let's buy it. Pumps 100%. Dumps, okay? You need to be careful. But look here, research shows that it is possible to tamper with AI models in an undetectable way. Users have no visibility into how their data is used and how AI models produce responses, guys. Since AI models behave like black box to users, building trustworthy AI models is a difficult challenge that can be solved by training and running models on ICP. That is what you call bullish. And while you may think people aren't buying ICP, people are saying it's a VC coin, okay? This whole VC coin thing, I just want to say to you guys, there was an article that showed the top VC coins of like 2023, 2024, and how they've performed in the market right now. And guess what? They've been some of the top performing alts. So while you may see it as like a negative thing for VCs to be getting involved in it, guys, I mean, they're not just going to be putting things into a load of shit like retail is, okay? Yep, they're not always going to be 100% accurate, and some will be losers, okay? I'm not here saying VCs know everything, but again, they are not the average retail user, okay? Now, people are starting to really understand the power of ICP on AI, the fact that ICP is fully scalable, it's decentralized, it is cheaper, it is not Amazon shit service, it is not Google shit cloud, okay? Once people really start to say, rah, all these developers are starting to build on ICP and this is the reason why, it's going to be too late for all of you guys to be getting these prices that we're getting today. The breakout is coming, guys. The breakout is coming. We weren't getting this at $9. Were you getting it at $9? Were you getting it at 10? When I said to you guys over the past month, please, guys, can you just buy some ICP at $10, at $11? Are you stacking up your bag because you are running out of time? Okay, you are running out of time because sooner or later, this thing's going to leave you in the dirt, and I'm going to post this clip, and it's going to be at like $100, and I'm going to post this clip, and I'm going to say, look, I mean, what can I say to you guys? Look, you got to take action. You can't just be FOMOing into these green days like a lot of people have been doing over the past couple of days. They're seeing coins pump. They're seeing RSR pump, guys. Don't do it. You should have been getting it at the bear market lows, okay? You should have been buying when coins are presenting an amazing opportunity. ICP, in my opinion, under $15 is still an amazing opportunity. And for all of you who didn't watch my last crypto video, guys, I think I only got like 1,000 views, so I know a lot of you did not watch that, but Pi Cycle top update, the Pi Cycle top moving averages are not even close to meeting yet. The bull run is far from over. And when we open this up, guys, you can see that we've had a retest. And how many times did we say that they're 20% pullbacks, 30% pullbacks? Before we even got this one, we were saying on this channel that the 20%, 30% pullbacks, they're going to come and they're going to be very frequent. They're going to start to shake people out, and then they're going to leave the market and they're going to buy back into these pumps, okay? So again, make sure you're subscribed because we were planning ahead of this. Everybody that was subscribed to the channel, everyone that's part of the family, we're cool. We're chilling because we already knew this. We've been preparing ahead of time. And once we do enter these zones where it gets a little bit scary in the market, we just pull up the chart, we pull up what we know, we pull up the data, and we say, oh, okay, it's all part of the process, guys. But look, looks like we still got quite a little way to go, and that could bring us to around 130k as a blow off top. Everyone will be waiting for 150k and then we start to dump. Is that going to happen? And now, before we do go into our trading view, guys, for all of you who want some extra trades, some extra portfolios, you're thinking, right, I've got 100 quid here. How can I start to flip this? Come and join the members club, because now we are starting to gear up with the trades. I mean, we actually added our ETH leverage long at 3k. It is now 3.7k, and that was a 10x long. So we are now up over 200% on our long, guys. And as you can see here, it's time for trades. I've told all of the members club that it is time to just lock in and put certain coins on your watch list, because we're going to be entering very soon. But let's go take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ICP. Now, guys, we filled the fair value gap. We broke this key resistance for the uptrend to resume. We held our support. Now we're having a pullback, which is a gift from God. Because if you know already, the pullbacks are going to be what presents us amazing entries for our alts for the next leg for our pumps, guys. Now, I wouldn't really want to see it go any lower than 67.2k. If we can hold that, that is like super mega bullish. Does it have to go that low? It doesn't have to go that low, guys. It could just stop around here. Okay, it could stop around 69k, and then we start to break our way up to that 73k and beyond. And once we do break 73k, then that is going to be all-time high smashed again this year into our next all-time highs and price discoveries. With Ethereum, guys, you can see that we had our entry at 3k. Fantastic. We took 50% off the table once we did hit our 120% for our trade on ETH. And again, that was a 10x leverage with a very tight stop loss. So we're not trying to lose too much money if the market does go the opposite way. But we've still got 50% that we are riding up. We're going to ride that up to nearly 3.9k, guys, which is going to be a 300% return, around a 200 to 250% return on our Ethereum trade. And guess what? Once you do start to go down the list, guys, we will be getting a lot higher returns than what we will be getting for our Bitcoin and Ethereum trades of leverage, guys. This doesn't even have to be just leverage. This could be a spot position as well. Spot, we're up 30% basically. ETH is now at 3.8k. We're trying to break this 3.8k. And the next key area of interest, guys, is going to be around 4k for me now. So we're going to have to see how we do react with this 4k area. I mean, we've got a big fair value gap that we need to be filling down here. So again, we don't get too excited yet, but these trades are going to allow us to roll into our next trades and even allow us to top up more on our ICP bag. Now, ICP is at the top area of the blessing zone, guys. I mean, we were getting it all the way down here at $11, guys. I mean, remember that scam wick down here that got us like sub $11? It was like $10, $9 on some exchange. We are now at the upper area of the blessing zone. We're nearly back at buy zone 2. We're going to be at buy zone 1 again, and then we're going to be saying, hey, let's enjoy the ride, guys. So look, blessing zone. Who is blessing zone gang? Who bought in the blessing zone? Who had big balls? Who was not scared? That will be what makes the difference between the winners and the losers of this bull run, guys. The people who actually do buy the dips. Now we're in the buy the dip phase of the market. Whether you like it or not, guys, it's confirmed that we are. If you can buy the dip, then you're going to be making it rip in the future. I just thought of that. I don't know why I said that. You know what I mean? You're going to be making some good gains, guys. Okay, so we're now nearly back in buy zone 2. Could we have some sort of rejection at around $14? Yeah, we could. But we're going to be trying to see if we do now print a higher low in the blessing zone. And if we do, that's going to be where I start to say, right, I'm now adding some leverage to my ICP bag. But until I can confirm the higher low, guys, we're waiting. Okay, so blessing zone is looking fantastic. Will we be breaking out of the blessing zone soon? I think we will. The narrative for ICP is picking up. We're now back on the AI section of CoinMarketCap. That is fantastic, and a lot of our other alts are starting to leave the bear market floor, guys. Okay, so while ICP has been accumulating for all this time and everyone's saying this is so boring, okay, it's boring, but for us, it is a godsend because we've been able to accumulate as much ICP in this time as possible. Everybody who knows the power of ICP and who's been accumulating, they do not give two shits about the fact that we've been accumulating for what? 20 weeks or whatever it is, 30 weeks, okay? We just know we need to be getting as much as we can. We can put as many in an 8-year stake in Neuron as much as they want. You know, you can have some ready for the bull run to try and flip to buy more cheaper. It's completely up to you, but all we know is that we need to have our hands on a little bit of ICP, everybody who watches this video. But that's it. Yes, it's a bit more of a high energy video today, guys, because I just need to let you know that it is exciting when you do prepare and when your preparation pays off. So again, if you got this far, make sure to pause the video, go and drop me a like, smash that subscribe button, come and join the family, and do not waste any more time in this bull market. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.